And I think we are live. Okay. Good evening. This is Joanne Hall, Creative Memories Advisor in Virginia Beach, Virginia. And tonight I'm going to talk to you about Creative Memories This Life Simple page kits. And so each month, Creative Memories does release a new page kit. And so tonight we're going to complete number 5 for May, right in time for Mother's Day. And so I am going to switch over my camera. And let's see. We'll give you a good... Alright, so in January we started with the celebration one. Let me see if I can fix lighting. Okay, maybe that's a little bit better. And then in February, it had that sweetheart look to it. In March, it carried the theme for St. Patrick's Day. And you'll see these little, we call them advisor exclusives because you can't purchase that, but the kits are $5.50 each, and those embellishment packs advisors can purchase for additional cost, and I include those with your kit. And then page kit number 4 had the Easter theme, and actually I have my sample made up on the Easter theme. Okay, I think we need to pull that more. There we go. And then tonight I am gonna assemble number 5, and I've gone ahead and taken it out of the plastic bag, and you'll see what comes with it is the idea sheet, the sticker strip, and then there's 3 sheets. There's the 2 that I'll use as the base, and then this one here you see has the cutting guide on the back. And the beauty of these kits are the directions are right on the front. So you're really just going step by step. So with the easy cutting guide, I'm going to go ahead and trim away. And so if you don't have a reliable trimmer, Creative Memories has a beautiful 12-inch trimmer, and you'll see on the bottom there's storage space for blades. I've only got 6. They're currently 9 blades, and I am offering a bundle for $110. You'll get the 12-inch trimmer, and you'll get 9 of the blades. So you'll see it kind of cuts like butter, but I'm going to finish trimming away. Just simple cuts. Again, I'm offering the trimmer bundle and the blades for $110. You will get the trimmer and all 9 of the blades. Alright, now that I have all my pieces cut, I'm just going to follow the guide. And it shows me exactly where I'm going to place these. So this is going to be tricky upside down, but we're going to do this. Right, just following the numbers is all I'm doing. The numbers on the guide, and then the numbers on the back of the... so now I can see where I might have missed that a little bit. I might just leave that just the way it is, or I could take the trimmer to it. And then I'm going to go ahead and add my adhesive and tack these down. You'll see on my cutting mat, I went ahead, you might have heard me talk about this trick before. I put some corners, some clear corners, so that'll hold my paper from sliding. I'm working with the tape runner. I'm going to go ahead and take off these little pieces where I didn't really cut it right. Paper must have shifted, or maybe I just didn't place it in there properly, but there we go. Now we've got the blue off of there. I'm going to adhere these down. That was the personal trimmer I used to slice that away. That's great for slicing photos, cropping them down. I do have some photos that I selected, but not enough. So I think what we're going to do is get these taped down and decorated. They just go together so smooth. Takes just a few minutes from the time you take it out of the plastic to the time you cut away your pieces and get them adhered down. And sometimes I don't have enough photos, or maybe not the right orientation of the photos, so sometimes I'll wait to put these mats down, and it doesn't always look exactly like it does on the guide, but you'll see that's what I went ahead and did there. And so I'm going to go ahead and add the stickers. You'll see that they have that right down there at the bottom. So that's going to be right over. I love the little butterflies in these leaves. Some folks have a hard time putting down stickers and embellishments until they have their pictures. And so I will tell you that for me, Well, as challenging as this is upside down, I do better when I pre-decorate and then go ahead and add my photos later. Let's see what that says at the bottom. All right, folks, and so oh, let's get the Happy Mother's Day up in here. And again, this is the Creative Memories This Life Simple Page Kit number 5 that we completed this evening. You'll see the link in the post. Again, this is Joanne Hall, Creative Memories Advisor, coming to you from Virginia Beach, Virginia.